20s now. Look.
I can't do this. I can't drive like this. This guy behind me is scaring me.
Yeah, this guy is
He does not want to get away from me. He doesn't know that we're having issues here. He thinks we're laughing. We're trying to get us some gas.
Look.
Oh God!
Can you relax?
Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys the quick rundown real quick because there's a lot to say. But I have 3 hours of driving, so it's all good. So we're at the Evo again. So a couple of days ago, Thursday to be exact, today's Saturday, I was driving up to Orlando to get a tune in the car, 9385, but there was something wrong with my car, and I didn't know what was happening because a couple of nights before we had installed the downpipe and the fuel pump. So I didn't know what was going on. My car was running super lean, and it was really bad. I couldn't go past like 50 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour. The car was giving out completely. It was horrible. It was the worst thing ever. It was supposed to take us 3 hours to get to Orlando, and instead it took us like 6 because of how slow we had to go. I had to like pull over like 5 times. I was so scared. I thought my motor was gonna blow. It was really, really bad. So anyway, we finally got to the tuner's house because the dyno shop closed at 6, so we got there at like 6:30. And the tuner like diagnosed everything and looked at everything, and it turns out that the fuel pump was missing the O-ring at the top, and so it was like gas was escaping. There was no pressure in the system, so I was running like the fuel pump was not pressurized. It was just spewing everywhere, so that's why it was running really bad. So we finally got that fixed, and once we got that fixed, the tuner put on the injectors and put the tune on for 93, and I was able to, at least drive the car normally, but I couldn't tune for 85 because the nearest gas station was like 30 minutes away, and it was really late, so it was pointless. And on top of that, I wasn't on the dyno, which is, I want to get tuned on the dyno. So I came back home, drove back down. Now I'm going back up to Orlando. I just filled up the 85, 10 gallons. It's in the trunk. So in like the red cans. So hopefully